Hey everybody, hope you're doing good. So this painting's done. I keep adding layers to it, but I think I've reached a point where I'm cool with it. It's got a lot of like really vibrant colors. It's definitely got a lot going on, but yeah, overall this was a fun painting. It's really dotty. Maybe I'll dial that back a little bit tomorrow before I put the varnish on, but yeah, I appreciate everyone who's followed this painting, and the next one is going to be a phoenix. So I'm going to hold off on the landscape painting and do a phoenix first, but I'm going to zoom in on this one. I hope you're all doing good.